Welcome to my channel. Okay, let's go. Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. I don't have the jump button again. I don't have Robux. I don't have a jump button again. I'm gonna leave. And I have to go back. What happened again? Bring me up inside. Wake me up inside. Wake me up. Wake me up. Wake me up inside. Wake me up inside. I got the tranquil. Lol. I got the tranquil. What? Where's the fruit? Where's the fruit that I'm holding? Am I blind? This is the fruit. Marigay ka? Take all my chunky plants. Yeah! May chunky plants ako. Wake me up inside. Nag-gym ka? Gym ka. Gym ka. Oh, may chunky ang fruit ko. Let's check around my garden. Okay. I know my fruit had been chunky before. I'd seen them. Wake me up inside. Wake me up inside. Wake me up inside. Uy! Wake me up inside. Take all my trunky plants. 39 na yung trunky ko. Mailan na trunky mo? 35? 85? Bigyan mo ako trunky fruits. Ayun. Kailangan ko na lang yung sugar apple. Yung sugar apple ko na trunky. Let's see where it's for. Yeah. Ayun. Bra, ang liit na yun. Excited ako bukas. Ma, excited ako bukas. 50 na yung trunky ko. Wake me up inside. Wake me up. Wake me up inside. I didn't see. I just need to check. Naubos mo lahat ng trunky fruits ko. Ay, naalala ko. Okay lang. Wait me. Nag-join ako. Nag-join ka? Ayun. Wake me up inside. And the moonlight, my honey idol. The one that you will be gone. Yes! Yung tomato ko ay na-trunky. Wake me up inside. Masaya yun? Ay, hindi. Kailangan ko yun ah. Ginoin mo ba ako? Gino ko. Nag-mutated. Alam mo ba? Ano? Nung sinabi ko, sinabi niya sinabi ng lalaki, need mo chuckles eh. Sinabi ko, gusto ko yung buong dosong, tapos sinabi niya, wag na, need mo chuckles eh. Tell mo na lang yan. Wake me up inside. Bundulong ako dun ah. Wake me up inside. Meron ng prickly pear. Take all my... $71 na yung trunky ko. Yung nag-mutation. Ano yun? Ay, alam ko. Tingnan natin yung apple tree. Ay, yun o. Take all my trunky plants. Wake me up inside. Wake me up inside. Wake me inside. Take all my trunky plants. 77. Ay. Ayun! Ma, ito yung trunky ko. May nakita bagay. May corn! Easy. Ilalagay ko niyan sa corn spot ko. Wake me up inside. Wake me up inside. Is cool. Di mo na lang i-restock yun eh. Sniper. No. Nakuha niyo yung pinakamaganda sa crate. Wake me up and... Maple apple? Maple apple. Maganda yun eh. Oh! Zero point 5%. Ay, donkey! Donkey, oh, donkey. It's only down to place. So nice. Stop it. Oh, Joe! See? I missed. I'm a good boy. I'm a good boy. Wake me up inside. Wake me up inside. Wake me up inside. Okay, guys. I didn't talk for a while. What if this work? It's so little. Wow. We get food garden eh. Let's check the moon mango we have. It's so good. Pass. Let's go to the seed shop. Okay, nothing. I make coconut. Coconut, nut. I get an apple. I get an apple. Get an apple. Oh, good night, guys. I'm gonna sleep now. Like and subscribe.